I am so excited, especially because London is such a big part of the film. I'm so happy to be here. Oh gosh, it was incredible and surreal. I mean, everyone, especially because there's so many people from the first one, it's like actually a dream come true. I mean, it's hard. We're all playing, they're playing new characters also. It's not like they're switching with each other again. So I honestly think we were all in it together. And there's something very wholesome and beautiful about that. We were all going through this chaotic journey. I think filming the initial swap scene was one of the most fun to film because we just couldn't keep it together and we were having so much fun. And if you stay till the end of the movie, you can kind of find out more about that. But yeah, I think probably the mirror scene. I mean, if people loved the first one, they're going to love this one. Again, like I said, so many people are back. And it's just really, I think, a beautiful extension of the first one. And we made it with a lot of love, and I think it shows.